3 drones, 1 Apache, and a split-second decision that changed everything. Over the waters of the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most advanced attack helicopters in the world faced an unexpected threat. What happened next was not supposed to happen. In June 2026, tensions in the Persian Gulf were at a breaking point. The United States had intensified its naval presence in the Strait of Hormuz, enforcing maritime control and protecting its regional bases. Fighter jets like the F-35 Lightning II and F/A-18 Super Hornet conducted constant patrols. Above them, airborne early warning aircraft like the E-3 Sentry AWACS scanned the skies for any threat. Closer to the surface, AH-64 Apache helicopters hunted anything that moved. On June 8, 2026, near sunset, an Apache patrol helicopter detected something unusual. 3 unidentified drones were flying low and fast through the strait. They were small but dangerous, loitering munitions believed to be Shahed-136 drones. As the Apache moved in, the drones suddenly split apart, a classic evasion maneuver. The pilot chose one target, locked on, and fired. One drone was destroyed. Without hesitation, the helicopter turned toward the second drone. Another pursuit, another engagement. Two drones were down. The airspace seemed under control. Then, something changed. The third drone was no longer escaping. It was coming straight in. Fast, direct, intentional. The Apache opened fire, trying to stop it before impact. Seconds remained. The drone was hit, but it was too close. The blast damaged the helicopter, pushing it into a critical state. Moments later, the helicopter lost control and crashed. Despite the impact, the pilots survived and were later rescued by US forces in the area. This encounter revealed a new reality of modern warfare: low-cost drones versus high-tech machines. Speed, unpredictability, and sacrifice tactics. Sometimes, it only takes one to get through. What do you think? Was this avoidable? Comment below, and do not forget to subscribe for more military breakdowns.